Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If this is your first time stopping onto the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's content. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap, you guys can see we are currently sitting at 871.7 billion, up 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 36.8%. Looking across the board, mild green across the board over the last 24 to 1 hour, but extreme bearishness still, guys. Let's not get super excited right now because the overall markets are still really bearish. But today, guys, I want to focus more towards one project, and this project is none other than, can you guys guess? All right, I will tell you guys what project I'm covering, and the project is none other than Thorchain. All right, Thorchain family. If we are looking at the price of Thorchain right now, it is currently trading at $1.23, up 2.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as 2.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at 368.3 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 21.9 million. But what is the current rank of Thorchain? Thorchain is currently ranked at the top 90th spot in the overall cryptocurrency market ranking. If we do look at the bigger picture as to what has happened with Thorchain's price over the past few months, you guys can see in the last year it's down 89%, which is not a surprise because we already know we're in a bear market right now. The entire market is down right now, not just Thorchain. But in the last 7 days, we are seeing about a little bit of a move towards the upside, and I'll tell you exactly why I believe this is happening. And in the last 7 days, we're up about 10.9%. You guys can see all-time high was $20.87, which was just last May of 2021, and all-time low was back on September 28th, 2019. And if you bought back then, you're still up 14,285%. And I'm sure you're not complaining at that point. But now let's get right into the price and see what exactly is happening with Rune and where is it going in the immediate short term. Before I begin, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. All right. So this right here is a daily time frame, and I know there's a lot of new retail interest still coming into the markets right now, and I really like showing you guys what has been happening in the markets and where is the price going in the immediate short term. So you guys can see right now what's happening with the overall markets. This is the price chart over the past few months. You guys can see the price at an all-time high, like I mentioned, at $21.45 on May 19th. And since then, if I do bring up the measuring tool for you guys, Thorchain is down about 95% from all-time highs, a massive hit. And this again is the daily time frame, but now I'm going to zoom into the chart and show you guys what exactly is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So a lot has happened, and obviously a lot of people are very scared from Rune. A lot of new investors came in over the past 2 years, and this might be your first bear cycle. A lot of people invested maybe at the top, and this is why cryptocurrencies are a learning lesson. I've been in this market for about 6 to 7 years now, and man, I've learned so much over the years, and I always try to give my viewers a little bit of a tip here and there to show what kind of mistakes I've made, because I don't want my viewers making these mistakes. Thorchain definitely took a massive hit, down 95%. Obviously, as a human, that would be very scary, and you might not want to look at cryptocurrencies, but it's how you overcome this. Obviously, not every single project is here to stay. A lot of projects are going to get washed out before the next bull cycle, but projects with real use case, strong fundamentals are here to stay. And Thorchain, I've done my research on this project. I believe it is definitely one of the projects that will be here to stay. But obviously, when we're seeing massive moves like this happen, a lot of people get very excited. This is where the excitement is to the next level. Everyone wants to take part of it. Everyone wants to FOMO in, and this is not obviously good to do because that's just how the human brain works. But when there's massive bloodbath across the board, people are like, what? Nah, I'm not going to look at Thorchain or any coin that may be because there's too much fear. But there's obviously the people that are buying around this time. Those are the people that will be successful in the long haul. This is a very, very famous saying. be greedy while others are fearful. So people that are being greedy right now, whichever coin it may be, if they have done their due diligence and research, the people that are scooping up those coins are going to be the ones that are successful the next bull cycle. And obviously, every market has some people that are going to lose and some people that are going to get win. And you obviously want to be on the win side. Thorchain has seen a massive pullback, as I have mentioned, and we dropped below this level of resistance. This was a major level of resistance and a support, obviously level of resistance when it was trying to break towards the upside, but then it was also a level of support which played out for us for quite some time. And since we broke below the 78.6, we never managed to see the price of Thorchain go above back to the 78.6. Never have seen that happen. And we saw a yearly low of $1 for Thorchain. So you guys can see Thorchain has seen a massive hit. But over the past few days, we have been seeing a little bit of a bounce towards the upside. Is this time to be getting excited? Now, you may be asking. To be quite frank with you guys, it's not something to be getting super excited about because we do need to see the price be above this level right here. This level, which is at that $3 mark, and we're obviously not anywhere closer to that. But this is, in my personal opinion, closer to the bottom than ever for the price of Rune. It has taken a massive hit already. And if you have done your due diligence and research and you are accumulating this project right now, this is better than accumulating it at the absolute highs. And I believe this project is going to bounce back the next bull cycle along with the entire markets. And, if we do measure it just to the 78.6 zone, guys, this major level of resistance is still about 368% away. I don't see Thorchain making a run until it breaks out of here. This is the sweet spot that I'm looking at, and that, again, I've just mentioned to you guys, is quite a bit ways from there, and I don't see that happening anytime soon. Probably late next year. This could happen, but right now we are seeing a little bit of a green day happen for the price of Rune because of a possible collaboration with Trust Wallet. So that is causing a little bit of excitement, but obviously gradual increase towards the upside towards this 78.6, as long as Bitcoin starts to do that, would not be bad. But I do believe that as far as Thorchain bottom is concerned, we are pretty much closer to the bottom. Again, BTC, you guys already know my stance if you're a regular viewer on my channel. BTC is not looking good at all. Obviously, after the 78.6 massive drop, we could be in for a more downward trend. We are seeing a pattern form right now. If you guys want me to show you guys can see we have been consolidating over the past few months. Earlier this year in the 0.50, dropped down, chilled in the 61.8 for a few months, dropped down into the 78.6 for a few months, and boom, dropped down. And I think we could still see one final drop to maybe $12,000 before the market starts recovering towards the upside. And I do believe that could happen earlier next year, hopefully before this end of this year, and we close out the bear cycle in 2022. But I'm very optimistic on this project, and I do think that this project will make some people very, very wealthy the next bull cycle, considering how much it has retraced. And the bull cycle is going to return, and remember, the strong projects are going to rebound. But again, this is my own personal opinion, not financial advice. Only time is going to tell. And let me know if you guys want me to make more Thorchain updates for you guys. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.